We had pizza last night, so she's having some cheese that's left over. She had some pizza, but yeah, she's getting herself some cheese. She's getting her DeCarlos on. Aren't you, ma'am? She took her kids home and comes to the back porch when I'm making breakfast for Kenny at 4 a.m. For the good stuff. Don't you? She stuck her head, I had the door cracked, she stuck her head inside looking for me. Where's my grub? She's getting down on the DeCarlos. Is that good, babies? Oh no. You can take the box home with you. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, you're coming? It's just a phone. You can't have my phone. She probably didn't take my phone. Hey, did you want to take my phone home with you? To your den? Let me set this here for a minute. I'll get her something else. Excuse my fingers. Oops. It'll probably fall. Yes, you're cute. Little bandit. Okay, you're gonna have to cork it. See what else I got for you. You're fine. I'll take my phone. Oh, come here. I got something for you. Here, where are you going? Come on. You want some Fritos? Here. You're spazzing. No Fritos? Oh, okay. Well, I'll eat them. You don't want the Fritos? Come on. Fritos. Hey, you leaving? Do you know what you're doing? You're looking a little frazzled. Eat the Frito. She don't want the Fritos. I was going to give her the whole bag and take it home with her. She took a bite. She didn't even take a whole bite. A little taste test. Too salty? That cheese is pretty salty. God, I gotta stand up. It hurts. It's okay, darlings. You gonna get it? So there's stray tomcat that I've nursed back to health. He was pretty beat up. He was pretty feral too, like he wouldn't let me touch him before he got hurt, but he's been living on my porch for months. There he is. He's hiding from the raccoon, eating some cheese. He's now my buddy. Hey, psst, mister. Kitty. Psst. Hi. You waiting for her to leave? Bye. Well, you left me a mess. Usually you clean up pretty good after yourself, but she don't like Fritos. I'll eat them. I don't like them, but I'll eat them.